Hi, and thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I'm organizing and decorating my coffee station. So the first thing that I'm going to do is use these jars that I have. I picked these up for Target. If I can find them, I will link them below. I will link everything below that I can find for you guys. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just empty out all my boxes and little containers of coffee and tea. So I'm just separating them into each individual one. So in this very last one, I'm putting this lemon ginger tea. Is my favorite, you guys. You should definitely try it. So I'm just putting all my Keurig and my Nespresso and my tea separately. I did clean off the shelf and empty it completely. That helps me a lot just to declutter everything and then start fresh. So I'm gonna put my Nespresso cups first, and then my K-cups, and then my tea. And this is so much more organized. It is so neat. The lids are very easy to remove because I have enough space on the top to remove them. So it works really well for me. On the second shelf, I just put an overflow of coffee. I also have these coffee to go cups, and then I just have some coffee mugs here on the next shelf. So it's really organized. It's everything pretty much that we need, and it looks really nice and organized. And then on the top, I have this coffee sign that I picked up recently at the Target dollar spot. So I decided to put everything here into this cabinet above my coffee station, just because I don't like a lot of clutter on my counter. And if you guys don't have a lot of space on your counter for a coffee station, this is a really good idea. All I have to do in the morning is just open this up and everything is right there, and it doesn't make my counter look cluttered. So this is the counter, and once I got everything off and put everything in the shelves, I have so much space to work with. This board here is a DIY. I will link it. It was a recent DIY, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with a tray. So I like using a tray because everything is just kind of organized in the tray. If I didn't have a tray, it would kind of look messy. So I'm just going to go ahead and use this really nice marble tray, and I'm going to start off kind of with my background, and I'm going to use this large board that I DIY'd, and I'm also going to use this little coffee sign that is so cute. And my theme obviously is going to be gray and white. So here I wanted to add a little bit of height, so I'm going to put these macaroons that I picked up in this really pretty dish. This glass dish I've had for a long time. I picked it up at HomeGoods. If I can find a similar one, I will definitely link it below for you guys. But I wanted to go ahead and put macaroons in here. I can switch this out. It's really nice to have just something that when you have your coffee, you have something here on the side to go with it. So this is a great spot to put little cookies or anything that you would like to have with your coffee in the morning. This is a really good spot for it. And again, my counter is just cleared off. I don't want anything on here except for the essentials, and I think this looks really pretty. And again, I'm just playing with heights, and I'm just only putting what I absolutely need and what looks pretty, because I don't want it to look cluttered. I want it to look nice and neat and organized. So this is what it's looking like right now. I feel like I need something else. So in this little corner here, I feel like this corner is empty, so I definitely need something there. So I decided to put this floral arrangement that I picked up at HomeGoods a while back. And the reason why I'm putting this is I just feel like flowers, I would prefer fresh flowers, but I feel like the flowers gives it a little bit of warmth, and I love the silver vase that it's in. So that adds a little bit of glam and brings out the silver that I'm trying to use in this area. So now I need to put a little something on the tray, because the tray, I could leave it like this, but it's a little plain, so I want to add a little something else to it. I have these Nespresso cups that I picked up. They are so cute. They're cappuccino cups, and they're really nice. I think we got them at the Nespresso store. I'll link them if I can find them. And they're so cute. They come with these little silver plates, so I decided to go ahead and use the silver plates as well. And again, it's bringing out the silver that I have going on in my coffee bar. So I thought they matched perfectly, and they fit here perfectly as well. So I'm just going to use these clear mugs that it comes with. They are so pretty. They're just a nice glass cappuccino mug. They are so pretty. I love the look of just a clear mug, and it matches really nicely with my cake stand or my sweet stand here. So the glass plays off really well, and the silver and everything just matches really nicely together. So this is what it's looking like right now. I have my espresso machine, my Keurig, my milk frother. I have a little bit of decor, my little coffee signs, and the coffee cups, and my little jar for sweets. So I think everything here is very simple, yet it still looks elegant and it looks neat and organized, and there's everything that you need here. Even if I had a guest come over, they can see where the cups are, where the sweets are, and I still have room here on the space to work and meal prep. And also, if I wanted to add in seasonal decor, I could go ahead and just change out the little paper sign that says but first coffee, and I could put a quote in there for the season, and then I could just add a pumpkin here and a candle, a fall candle for fall, and then I could add a Christmas tree and a Christmas candle for the season. So I don't have to mess with the decor that I already have going on. All I have to do is add a little bit on the side. So I really like that. And then also in the sweets jar, I could just add maybe fall cupcakes or something fall related, and then Christmas I could add a Christmas dessert. So this is a really good way to have everything nice and neat and organized, and to still be able to switch things out for this season and keep it nice and organized and just nice and neat and clutter free, but it still looks really pretty and really elegant and really inviting if you have guests over and you want to have a cup of tea or coffee. So that is a really good idea. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you some ideas for your own coffee bar. It's really, really simple to do, especially if you don't have a lot of space on your counter. You can always use your cabinets and just make your cabinet look nice and neat and organized as well. This is kind of like an overview. So having all the jars in the cabinet and not on the actual counter just makes it look a lot neater and organized. And in the morning, it is so easy to grab a cup of coffee. I just open up the cabinet, grab the coffee, or grab a tea, whatever it is that I'm going to be drinking that day, and everything looks pretty organized and decorated. So thank you guys so much. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up if you did, and please thumbs up if you want to see more decorating videos. Subscribe if you haven't, and see you guys again really soon in my next video. Bye.